Ayun na nga, umalis na yung isang teammate ko na nag-resign. She'll have her last day bukas. And her reason nung nag-usap kami, alis na siya kasi she nahirapan siya like, magbiyahe kasi taga Cainta Rizal pa siya. So, nag-work siya dito sa Metro Manila and she's having hard time sa commute. And imagine she's commuting almost 2 hours every day. So total like 4 hours worth of commute. And yun yung reason niya kaya siya aalis. And I think yun din dapat yung mga kinoconsider mong option kung mag-work ka as a virtual assistant or mortgage broker support. Okay, so especially sa Australia, marami kang option and I think before you apply for a mortgage broker support sa Australia, check yung mga options like kung hybrid siya, after ng interview, ask them how many days yung work from home, how many days yung work on site. Kung sinabi 2 araw, good, 3 araw, better, or 4 days a week ka work from home tapos isang araw lang on site, even better. But you always have to establish that during the interview. Kunwari, binigay sa'yo ng JO na nakalagay doon, one work from home lang, tapos 4 days yung on-site. That's a good question to ask. And then, kung nakalagay doon, after 3 months ka pa magkakaroon ng work from home, you ask the recruitment, the interviewer. And kung tingin mo may off doon sa JO, sa job offer mo, then always ask a question. It's good thing you sit down, check mo yung JO. Marami sa atin yung mga pumipirma ng JO na like hindi iniintindi yung mga fine print. And it's really, really important kasi nakasalalay dun yung future ng trabaho mo. Imagine nag-apply ka tapos eventually you've noticed na may mali or hindi natupad yung nakalagay dun sa JO kasi hindi mo nabasa, then you're gonna move again, you're gonna resign and then look for a new job. Ayaw natin nun. So, make sure you read the JO and if there's nothing na nakalagay dun sa JO mo na you have to ask the question. Okay? Ask questions kasi it'll save you ton of time,